What's up, guys? We are starting the video off in beautiful Southern California, specifically in Joshua Tree National Park. It was a nice little break from the drive, getting able to stop, walk around. It was so peaceful and beautiful, and I wanted to take some time in this video and talk about how exactly I book long distance moves. So when a customer calls for a long distance quote, you want to stand out and do a guaranteed flat rate price. This is a really important way and a crucial way to get in front of the customer and be unique and different and offer that flat rate pricing. I really have made it super simple by just calculating my total cost and adding 50% markup on what it's going to be, and that's my profit margin for the job. So it's really great, especially when there's a return load like there is with this job that I have going back to Texas that I'm taking back now. So that's exactly how I do it. Then we stopped at a winery here on the way back to back to Texas, and it was really beautiful. Nice little break as well. So got the rig. I feel like I've done a really bad job explaining exactly what I've been doing on this trip or where I've been, which I'm sorry, because it's kind of like my first like multi-day video I've done in a while. But we had to drop something off in San Francisco, and then we're gonna pick something up in LA and then bring it back to Dallas. So that's kind of the explanation, long and short and sweet, of everything going on. Usually don't bring this rig, but we're just trying to save as much as we can, like price wise right now, cost wise, overhead. So I had to bring it out. I wouldn't generally take one of my rigs 3,000 miles there and back, or 3,000 total miles, but had to do it, saving money as much as I can, getting through the off season. We're gonna push through, finish the year strong. It is New Year's right now, so happy New Year's to everyone. Obviously, Merry Christmas as well, or Happy Holidays, whatever it is you celebrate. And we're gonna hit the road, head down to LA, and then head back home.
Look good?
You got the double.
Double.
So we are currently in Los Angeles, gonna load up the load going down to California, and then hit the road, trying to get back as soon as I can because I want to get home.